Mangoes and guavas are two delectable tropical fruits, each with its own distinct appeal and characteristics. Mangoes, often referred to as the king of fruits, are celebrated for their sweet, juicy flesh and come in a wide array of varieties. Among the most popular are Alphonso, Ataulfo, and Tommy Atkins, each offering a slightly different taste and texture. These fruits are not just delicious, they are also nutritionally rich, packed with vitamins A and C. The versatility of mangoes is remarkable. They can be savored fresh, sliced, in smoothies, tossed in salads, or utilized as a key ingredient in dishes like mango salsa. Guavas, on the other hand, are smaller fruits, typically green or yellow when ripe, and known for their distinctive aroma and flavor. What sets guavas apart is their edible seeds, which provide a unique crunch. These fruits are high in vitamin C and dietary fiber, making them a healthy snack choice. Guavas are enjoyed in various ways, whether consumed fresh, transformed into juices, turned into jams and jellies, or featured as the base for tropical desserts like guava pastries. Both mangoes and guavas hold a special place in the culinary world, offering a delightful taste of the tropics. They are cherished for their sweet, tropical essence and are enjoyed in numerous cuisines worldwide, embodying the essence of sun-soaked regions and providing a burst of flavor in every bite. Whether you prefer the juicy sweetness of a ripe mango or the fragrant crunch of a guava, these fruits are a true testament to the diversity and richness of tropical produce.